a weather update. I have a quick look at the NAM here for the medium range forecast. As you can see, snow building in pretty good amounts over the next 3.5 days. That's in inches, so 17, 18 inches. That's looking at 45 plus centimeters. Anywhere in the green here is over a foot. The NAM 12 kilometer grid, and then we'll do a little bit more detailed here with the HR DPS. This is this is only showing out 26 hours, but if I go back, looking at the 12 Zulu run over the next 2 days, you can see anywhere with that green upper Monashees, northern Monashees, looking at over a foot. But it's really that next big storm pushes in on Saturday evening. The GFS, we'll get a quick look at that as well. It kind of shows that storm building in. We'll do a 24-hour accumulated precip totals. And there's really no dry period coming in the foreseeable future. Yesterday, one of the models was trying to build a ridge of high pressure in, and that's kind of got kiboshed by the last 3 runs of the GFS. We're looking at like after the 19th, there was going to be a ridge, but as you can see, it's just a storm train. These are 24-hour totals over, this is up to 10 days out, but there hasn't been a dry 24-hour period in almost the entire long range. Really looking great. 24-hour total accumulated precipitation, we'll bring those up here in a second. You can just see how it just balloons. This is looking, here's 10 days out now, 240 hours, and you're looking at, the darker purples there are up to 4 inches, 100 plus mils, and this is on a large scale. So micro terrain and more orographically favored areas could see, substantially more than that. And down on the coast, you can see they're really going to get it as well. Lowering freezing levels too, definitely over the next week or so. A lot of the storms look a little bit colder. Really good news for skiers. Not great for travelers over the mountain passes. And I'm going to bring up the windy forecast here. Have a quick look at what the upper air is doing. So today you got that cold trough over us. It's been producing snow through most of the day, kind of light amounts, but pretty steady light amounts. So I'll have a quick look at Rogers Pass here over the last 24 hours. You can see it's been kind of snow off and on through the period. Lots more up high. And Revelstoke, we'll have a quick look at Old Norm. Norm has been dusted off. He's 27 centimeters tall, and I would expect him to get buried again in the, within the next 4 days for sure, if not a couple times. Look down at Kootenay Pass. Kootenay Pass has also been getting a pretty good dose of snow. Kootenay Pass is at 1,770 meters, so it's a little higher up than Rogers Pass, but much further south. It's looking very promising here. We'll just watch this as kind of a precip map. It's almost like an auto-generated of what the radar would look like as the storms approach. You can see precip building on Sunday, pretty heavy on the coast, pretty heavier bands through the Columbia Mountains, dry in the Okanagan. And as that first storm on Sunday pushes through, it's quite a cold pool of air coming in behind it, and that'll just keep maintaining those upslope snow showers and flurries. No, I shouldn't say showers, that sounds too warm, but I think intense orographic lift and instability, like some pretty good power flurries, but cold temps. So looking good. Anyway, there you have it. There's a mid-range forecast for everyone. And just do one more quick on the spot weather. I'm gonna take a look here at a square in Rogers Pass on the NAM. We're looking at up to 25 centimeters by Sunday. Pretty good. Cooling temps, 700 millibar temps, pretty cool. Friday looks like maybe some good skiing, and then out in the extended on the GFS, from what I saw, it looked like Tuesday might be one of the better days for skiing. Kind of clears a little bit and the temps cool off. And as you can see, over the next 10 days here, this GFS model run was showing up to 108 centimeters in Rogers Pass on the west side of the pass. So yeah, things are looking really good. Anyway, yeah, till next time. Yeah, keep those tips up for now. Those early season hazards are still lurking. All right.